I'm gonna go live on Facebook. Hi everybody, I am going live from Key West. We're doing a sail away, and I thought I would just go live and see you guys. So I'm gonna turn this around. It's been a beautiful day today. It was about 73, 74 degrees and sunny. I always love Key West. Bright sun. We are out on the dock. And waiting for dinner. Going to the test kitchen this evening. Always like watching the sailboats, but you see a sailboat there is probably going out for a sunset cruise. Hi Dave, how you doing? Goodness gracious. Got a plane coming over. Jesus Christ. I was trying to get that plane, but I couldn't get it. But yeah, again, we're leaving Key West. They've got the tall ship out there. That right there is famous for Key West. It'd be fun to ride on that ship there too. And then they've got a smaller one. Where's it at? Get it in a minute. There it is. There's a smaller one. Looks like we're backing out. Got fried today too. Look like a lobster. But I'm on Scarlet Lady and we are leaving port. Gonna have a sea day tomorrow. Bimini on Saturday. And then back to Miami on Sunday. Yeah, that's tonight. So yeah, I'll try to go live during that time too if I'm not drunk by then. But this right here is the dock. Love coming out here. This right here is just a chill area. Come out here and have a cocktail. They've got some free food out here. It is Mediterranean style food, grilled chicken, like Greek food, hummus. They've got a DJ out here playing some chill tunes. Go to the other side here, get out of the sun a little bit. They even have a live DJ. Out of the sun here. There's Key West. Beautiful Key West. Had a great time today in Key West. Went and got some key lime pie at the Key Lime Pie Company. I like theirs. It's frozen and it's perfect on a really hot day. Today it was quite chilly. I was laying out on the hammock on my balcony with a blanket over me earlier. Got a pilot boat there. I don't know what hog's breath is. What is it? Oh, okay. Yeah, the restaurants and bars were packed today. Even though there was only like one ship here, they were really, really packed.
He's got to turn around and come back this way. Because he has to be going the same speed as us. He might even be going around the other side.
I don't think you could have had a better day in Key West here to done excursions other than if you had to go in the water. I can't imagine going in the water today. It would have been freezing. Right now we are backing up. Probably back up and turn around. This right here is the ship. We're at the back of the ship. And then I just really like the chill music that they have here. Sorry, I'm going back to get my drink. Look at all the sailboats out there.
Thank all the good shirts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 big sailboats. See, they got these day beds. You don't have to pay for them. They're free. You know, other cruise lines, you have to pay for that crap. I'm gonna get under this umbrella. This is still not working. Sorry. There we go. So that's Christmas Island there. I never knew what it was called. All I know is I would never want to be on it during a hurricane. Now we're turning. Oh, that's Sunset Key, okay. Yeah, I just can't imagine living over there because the only way to get to it is by boat. I would be a little bit claustrophobic by that. What the hell is the love children? Oh, okay. That was a little bit before my time, I guess. These sailboats are all so pretty. But again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All these sailboats coming out for the sunset. By the way, you guys know that today is National Margarita Day, right? Yeah, Oprah can have it. I have no desire to live there. It's just so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish my drink, enjoy my evening. I just wanted to come out here and go live and share a little bit of this wonderful stuff with you guys. Having a wonderful time on Scarlet Lady. If you haven't been on this ship, it's a fun ship. No kids. What's better than that? No kids. Okay, guys. Cheers. Have a good night.